Hello everybody, this is Elmar, and today I would like to show you how you can spot bottlenecks with Just Planet and how you can use this information to maximize your throughput. So let's quickly go to the Just Planet interface. Here we go, and here we can see the resource group view, and obviously I have got some action to take, as I can see that job number 12 here obviously is late. So bringing on this late job on time, we can increase the capacity given. And in this regard, it makes sense to spot your bottlenecks, because increasing your capacity should always focus on your bottleneck, as increasing non-bottlenecks capacity doesn't make much sense. So what does it mean? So we could have the idea, for example, to increase the capacity of Mary, as Mary is doing the last task of this job number 12. So if you would increase Mary's shift at Monday, August 19th, that would be okay to bring the job on time. But it wouldn't make much sense, as Mary has got a lot of idle times and Mary by far is no bottleneck. So where is my bottleneck? For this, Just Planet provides a default color scheme that we call waiting times. So now I'm applying the new color scheme, waiting times, and then you can see all tasks that have waiting times are colored in blue now. And all tasks that have waiting times and belong to a delayed job are colored in orange. And I can see, obviously, I've got a lot of waiting times in my machining work center and just one waiting time in finishing and none in preparation at all. So, waiting times per se are nothing to worry about. Actually, they are good. Waiting times means you have got a very high workload and a very good capacity utilization within machining, obviously. So waiting times lead to a good capacity utilization. But if waiting times are getting too long and turn into delays, then you have a bottleneck. And obviously we can see here this task for machining is waiting too long to get executed, so that it finally ends in a delay. So here we have got a bottlenecks. Here the waiting times are getting too long. So that means if we want productively increase capacity, which we should focus on the bottleneck. So we should focus on machining. And here we can see like all tasks are queuing up. And if I am enhancing the capacity of machine 1, that will have a positive impact on all tasks that are queuing up. And not only job number 12, as this end of pipe solution I was thinking about in the beginning would mean. So let's then increase the capacity of the bottleneck. And here let's see. So the last task of job 12 ends at 7:50 in the morning. And as my shift is beginning at 7, we just need to increase the capacity by 1 hour. That will be sufficient. So let's increase the capacity, and we can just take any time slot somewhere here in the bottleneck where the job does not even have started. So let's assume we increase the capacity on Tuesday 13th by 1 hour of machine 1. So let's add this exception. So it's the 13th of August. I'm adding 1 hour. That means I'll quit the lunch break and add an additional half an hour. That is an additional 1 hour in total. I'm applying, and then the automatic scheduling directly considers the new time window, which you can see here now. So if I'm zooming into that, I can see that I quit the break and I have one additional half an hour in the afternoon. It is directly filled with workload. And so the whole queue of this machine here is pushed to the left accordingly. So I have a positive impact on for all waiting tasks. And in the end, I don't need to have additional shift of Mary because this task can start earlier and will be finished at Monday before end of shift. So this is a very good example how you can spot bottlenecks first and then take productive action to maximize your throughput with Just Planet. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.